Welcome back. Well, we're getting ready for a wet period that's going to round out the rest of the week and dominate most of the weekend. It looks like by Sunday things are going to dry out, but we're going to go through about a 48 to 72 hour period where we're going to see on and off rain and storms, sometimes light rain, other times locally heavy downpours, rumbles of thunder, and maybe even a little bit of a severe weather threat, mainly west of Acadiana proper, but we're going to have to watch the radar closely. So here's the big picture here as we put things in motion, checking out that water vapor in the upper level pattern at roughly about 18,000 feet. And you can see our next weather system coming in like a bowling ball down through the alley here. We got the subtropical jet stream getting a little bit more active, shooting high clouds our way, and precipitation won't be far behind. And once that subtropical jet is here, we're going to see disturbances in that jet that are going to create more chances for rain and storms, again going not only into tomorrow night, into Friday morning, but then again Friday into Friday night into Saturday. So it's going to be a wet period. Already some snow with this system across portions of the Intermountain West and snow advisories, rain at lower elevations. Meanwhile, here comes the Gulf moisture ready to meet up with this system as it gets closer to us, already producing some light showers down toward Corpus Christi and the Brownsville area. And thanks to high pressure being to the east, our winds are turning around out of the southeast, so we're not going to be as cool tonight. In fact, temperatures that we have right now are probably going to maybe drop a degree or two more, and then they're going to level off, especially with clouds coming in and that southeasterly breeze freshening up as the night wears on. Regional Doppler radars, all is relatively quiet for right now, but we're going to have a much different picture for you at this time tomorrow, more than likely. And on top of that, the threat of severe storms, especially across southeast Texas, where there is an enhanced risk, a level 3 out of 5 for severe storms that will be capable of producing damaging winds and more likely maybe some isolated tornadoes as well. That's right along I-10 north of Houston. And then we do have this slight risk that goes into southwest Louisiana now. This is for Thursday, ending Friday morning at 6 a.m. So it's going to go through the overnight hours, and the rest of Acadiana hatched in for a marginal risk, a low-end risk, but we'll have to keep an eye on storms for the possibility, mainly damaging winds. But it looks like our severe weather threat is going to be somewhat elevated in the atmosphere. I don't see those dew points getting over the magic 72 or 73 degree range, but it certainly could happen because we're going to have strong southerly winds, and you can see that marginal threat continues into Friday, especially the morning and midday hours. So here's the latest HRRR model, getting more concerning. Some light showers developing by tomorrow morning. Notice these lines right here. This is the pressure gradient. They're going to tighten up, so it's going to get windy. We're going to see the winds gusting to 30. Rain and storms likely for most of Acadiana, exception being maybe the southeastern parishes tomorrow afternoon, and then going into tomorrow evening. This is when things get a little bit more concerning. Here we are midnight tomorrow night, and the graph model showed this as well. Training of showers and storms nearly over the same area for several hours. That means rain will accrue 1 to 2 inches per hour when you're in that conduit, and then a little bit of a break it looks like, and then more is setting up as we head into Friday afternoon and especially into Friday night once again. So rainfall totals are increasing. The latest HRRR model has a good swath of 2 to 4, isolated 5 to 6 across the western parishes of Acadiana. That's a lot of rain. You get into the pink here, you're talking 10 inches. So, okay, maybe it's one model, but check out the graph model, updated model run as well, and the graph goes a little bit more overboard, pushing a 10-inch rainfall. We don't buy that, but it's a red flag that we could see potential flooding in the area. Now, mind you, no flood watches yet, but we may see one coming in with the 4 a.m. update coming in from the National Weather Service, provided the models remain consistent. And this is the rain through Saturday afternoon, all totaled maybe 3 to 5. Again, don't get too concerned with seeing nearly a foot of rain, but it's a red flag telling us that there is going to be a flood problem, at least street flooding. The ground needs the rain, but we don't need 10 inches. We'll take 4 or 5 for sure. Now, on top of that, we're going to have a windy day tomorrow. Wind advisory. There's a flood advisory for Cameron Parish. It may get extended to Vermilion, with southerly winds gusting 25 to 30, and in a few cases, it's going to be pushing 40. And we see that locally as we get into tomorrow evening, roughly at this time. A lot of 40 showing up, so there's going to be strong winds feeding those storms that are going to be slow moving. So it's going to be a kind of a windy and raw day, and then on top of that, all the rainfall. So some showers possible later on tonight, not as cool. And then as we head over into tomorrow, it's just the old thunderstorm symbol and some locally heavy rainfall. Temperatures topping out at 66 with best rains coming in, and we'll say Lafayette get on southeastward tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So a stormy period ahead for sure. So stay with KATC for the latest. Rain chances as we move forward staying high, 70% during the days. Friday, Saturday could be higher. Certainly Friday night. Hopefully Saturday we can tone it down. And then lingering clouds. It turns just a little bit cooler. Don't see much sun until a week from today. So we have a dreary period ahead, and we'll say 2 to 4 inches or more possible. Now we're leaning maybe closer to 2 to 5 or 2 to 6. We'll have the very latest, of course, on GMA tomorrow morning with Dave Baker. Till then, this is a pause for right now. We're going to stop for a commercial break.